Hey guys, it's Neha and I will show you a mouth-watering sweet dish called Poornalu, also referred to as Poornam Borelu. Poornalu is a traditional Indian sweet commonly made during festivals and special occasions. Varalakshmi Vratam is coming up in 2 weeks and Poornalu would be a great offering to the goddess. This delicious dessert is made of 2 layers, the outer and the filling. The outer layer is made with dosa batter and the filling is prepared with chana dal and jaggery. Lastly, deep fried until golden. I love how the outside is so crispy and the inside just melts in your mouth. The balance is unbelievable. This isn't a very simple dish to master. However, if you follow my recipe step by step, you'll eventually get there. So let's get started. Soak 1 glass of chana dal for 2 to 3 hours. And now transfer the chana dal into a pressure cooker and drain all the water. Add water into this until the dal is totally covered. And close it with this lid. Cook it until 2 whistles come in medium flame. Once the pressure is released, you can open the lid. It's cooked, guys. And now you can drain it. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so all the water can drain out. Meanwhile, take 1 glass of grated jaggery. Because we took 1 glass of chana dal, we're going to take 1 glass of grated jaggery. Add the jaggery into the blender and grind it. Once the jaggery looks like a paste, take half of it out and gradually add your boiled chana dal. And grind it again. Gradually add your jaggery and chana dal into the blender and keep blending it. In the end, add ilachi powder. If you don't have ilachi powder, you can use 3 or 4 ilachis as an alternative. If the jaggery and chana dal mixture looks like a paste, then refrigerate it for a while so it thickens. Make balls with your mixture. To make dosa batter, soak 1 cup of urad dal with 3 cups of rice overnight and grind them together. In a pan, pour oil. And we need a lot for this because we're going to fry these after. And wait for it to heat up. Once the oil is heated, dip your balls into the batter and place it in the pan. After a few minutes, after one side is cooked, flip to the other side. Once both the sides are cooked, take them out and place it into the strainer. When you crunch into it, it literally melts in your mouth. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to like and subscribe. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Bye!